Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a large burrito full guide. Start by gathering a 12-inch tortilla, 1 pound of cooked protein, rice, beans, cheese, and toppings. Warm the tortilla so it flexes without tearing, and organize fillings in assembly order. Keep flavors balanced and textures varied to avoid sogginess. I'll walk you through layering, folding techniques, and reheating tips so you end with a perfect portable meal. Gather all ingredients and do your prep before you assemble to streamline the process. Cook rice and season your protein while chopping vegetables and grating cheese. Warm the tortilla briefly so it rolls easily without cracking. Layer items from drier to wetter to protect the wrap, and reserve hot ingredients to keep the burrito warm. I'll guide you through the exact proportions and timing for reliable results every time. Place a warmed 12-inch tortilla on a flat surface and layer rice, protein, beans, cheese, and toppings. Fold the bottom up, tuck the sides in, and roll with steady pressure to create a tight cylinder. Toast the seam down side in a skillet briefly to seal and add texture. Slice in half against the grain for neat presentation. I'll share variations and storage tips so you can adapt this method to any filling or diet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.